favourite bands. They're based in Melbourne, and I pronounce it very badly as Los Tremoleros. How's it really pronounced?
That's perfect. Los Tremoleros.
And how did I sound?
Tremoleros.
Because they're sort of small enough to pack everybody in,
Yep.
and you can't help but be social. Food's always good. I'm meant to have a parmigiana at the town hall.
They're fantastic.
Huge.
Yeah.
I think watching you guys, I'm exhausted watching you. Like, it's such a sound, it's such a force, and it's so quick sometimes. Like, it's incredible. And I do love to dance, and if these guys get it right.
Yeah.
So
If you're dancing, we know we're doing it all right. It's good.
let's talk about the
Suddenly got muscles. Lost my stomach.
Our voice has changed as well.
Yes, I have.
I think
Sorry.
the testosterone is implanted.
I think it
in
has.
this,
Yeah, it's gone. It's coursing through the body.
And I like